Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to another salvage build video. Today we bought ourselves a little bargain Fiesta Zetec S. If you're new to the channel, you like cars, salvage, spraying, detailing, all other related stuff, hit the subscribe button. Loads of content for you guys and loads of content coming up. Let's crack on, turn around, show you what we bought. There she is, little Fiesta Zetec S. All the tyres were flat. The guy had to deliver it with what's going on now. Say contamination risk, yeah. I've just been in there with the wipes. Oh, they're on the floor, look, falling down. Yeah, with what's going on with all this coronavirus and stuff, they won't let you pick up cars now from Copart. So I had to pay and have this delivered. I didn't know that at the time. I checked before I started bidding to find out if it was open, and they said yeah, but they changed their mind that night. So I had to pay for the delivery. This was a little bargain. All the tyres were flat. Excuse the wind noise if there is some. A bit blowy out here. Battery was dead flat. Chucked my booster pack on. And the engine sounds sweet. Started straight up. There's not a lot of fuel in it. If you guys haven't got a booster pack and you was looking for a new booster pack, these Noco Genius booster packs are wicked. This is the GB150, the bigger one. Starts absolutely anything. Alright, this is the damage. Got a scuff in the bumper. The wings a little bit mullered, dented in, and then scuffed into that door, and then it scuffs through the quarter a bit. It'll ding down the front there and then comes through to this dent there. I haven't actually checked if the wheel is in the boot actually. Let's have a look. No alloy wheel, unless they've put it down here. Hey, we have got an alloy wheel. That's a touch. Whether the alloy is buggered or not, I don't know. But every tyre on this was flat. So, don't look like it's been looked after. God knows what they've done. Must have been a builder. Does need a good clean, a good scrub up. There's a few other little marks around it down here. I mean, this is sort of like age-related stuff. These look like little bush scrapes going through it. It could well polish out. We'll have to have a look. Typical Copart. Aerial's been pinched. The roof looks in good order. The bonnet, I just noticed that in the sun. Don't know if you'll pick it up. Oh, that looks like that might come out. Yeah, it's not deep. It's just a mark, so we might go away polishing that out. It looks like the tyres are old in here. Let me look inside. This is the one with a lovely blue interior. Lovely blue dashboard. Let's have a look in the back. Awful seat covers on it. Nice bit of dust flapping around in there. It's not that bad. Obviously needs a good scrub up inside and what have you. We've got engine management light on. It's done 102 foul. For an 09, it's not that bad. So how many keepers we got? Cleared new registration. Number of keepers free. We've got 3 keepers on there, which ain't terrible to be honest. 2 keys came with it, and they're both beeper keys, which is a touch. Let's give it a little rev. The engine does sound sweet. Have to plug it in, find out what's going on with the engine management light. Front bumper looks alright, very greeny. Needs a good scrub down. Other than that, it is a bit bent in around here, to be fair. I won't try and open this door because of that, but I will go and get my old slide hammer with me up bit on, and I'll try and bend that out. Give us a second.
That's good.
go. It's bloody knackered now. I pulled this back out, so I straightened it up a little bit, and I pulled that out enough so we can get in there and open the door without it mullering it too much. That was damaged as well. Might be able to sort that out. So it's all popped out of there. That's it. Another job done. Right, what's next? We need to see if it drives. I haven't actually drove it, I haven't done anything. So we'll go and run that around the block. Yeah, pop back in a mo. Yeah, we've definitely got some issues with the driving. The ABS keeps flickering up, and that's me trying to drive straight with the steering wheel. Brakes aren't feeling too great. We need to get that looked at. And I've also noticed something else. Right, the wheel's pretty much straight. That wheel's fine. The camber's fine. They've changed this wheel here, and you can clearly see the lower arm's shagged. That's why it's pulling all over the road. And the bonnet won't shut. So I've got a feeling that the slam panel's buggered, or something's happened where it's had a knock. There's a screw missing there, and it's all secure. Oh, we've got a bit of wobbling going on, but that's just on the airbox mount. J1 Automotive high performance air intakes. Might have a, look, we've got a Samco squat hose there on the airbox bit. Here we go. Just found our problem. It won't shut because it's loose. Right. Let me see if right, there you go. 10mm. Let me go and get a ratchet to tighten that up. No, it's looking like the catch is buggered. It's not latching at all. Someone's fiddled, that's why it was loose. So I was trying to work out. The cable's a bit slack. It's not under a lot of tension, so it could be worn. So we'll have a look at that after. Oh yeah. Get it up on the ramp. Have a look at it, get my mate to pull that wheel off. We'll look at the lower arm. It does look like it's sat back a little bit as well. It's not a problem. Might be the track rod arm, lower arm, what have you. Door. The door's repairable. But I might have a door in the yard. Rear quarter, not a problem. So yeah, other than that, we'll see whether the wheel in the boot is buggered, because I don't know. Could be cracked. In fact, we could have a little investigate now. It doesn't look like it's bolted in. Oosh. Tyres are good. Tyres are good all round. They've been refurbished. It's just typical crap. There's no obvious signs or cracks or big gouges that I can see. Nothing mega on the front either. Look at that paint, that's fucking awful. You're going to need a refurb. Let's pump this up and have a butcher's. Let's get some air in that. Don't seem to be nothing wrong with the wheel. The tyre is bulging out there. Don't know if we can... Yeah, you can see that egg coming up there. Quite hard to show. And then there's another distortion down here by the word speed. Pick that up. So where it says arrow, and it's blown right out there. So the wheel seems alright. The tyre's holding here, another bulge there as well. You can probably see them now. So the wheel's usable. It's not too bad then. Alright, chuck that in a boot. We can deal with that later. It's not a problem. Contamination risk. How you all doing with the self-isolation anyway? Leave us a comment, let us know how you're getting on. I don't quite know if I'm breaking the rules or what, but I have got a garage. Don't know if that's classed as. In all honesty, I just painted one of these for a key worker. So I don't know whether I am working on the right guidelines or not, I don't know. I literally get in my van from outside the house, drive up here, lock myself away in the workshop, go home, stay in. So I'll try and keep some content coming for you guys the best I can. Obviously I'm just waiting on the government's advice. So yeah, that's why I'm up here. When you read on the exclusions and stuff like that, it says if you own a garage. Now that's a very grey area because I do own a garage. But what garage do they mean? This is the thing. I literally leave my house, get in my van, drive straight up here, and I'm in here on my own. So I'm away from everybody. I clean everything down. Do everything. I'm a bit of a germphobe anyway, so I clean everything, scrub everything up, and yeah, just sort of plod on. Literally trying to get through it the same as everyone else. I've had to shut my shop. I pretty much, well, I'm losing thousands and thousands and thousands each week. I luckily enough just paid 3 months rent on my shop, so I can keep my shop. Whether I lose all my customers or not, I don't know, but it's very uncertain times for everybody. I try my very best not to go bust, and if I can't come up here and earn some form of money, I've got to feed my family, pay my bills. I'm not mega rich. I've got a few cars around me, but I haven't got millions in the bank. Don't know how long we're going to be shut down for. If it's 2 or 3 months, I'll probably get by. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy for anybody. Doesn't matter if you've got a normal job. They say most people have only got like a week's worth of bill money before they're in financial trouble. So, all right, I would say that I'm not in that category. I'm a little bit better off than that, but I can't sustain months upon months of it. I've had to lay my staff off and stuff like that, which is never a good choice. But what can you do? We've all got to crack on, and this is how I make a living. This is also what I do. I go to my shop a few times a week, and this is I don't pull a massive wage from the shop. And this is where I come into the I'm screwed category, because all I take is the minimum director's salary, which is £700 a month, which is peanuts and a few bits of dividends. But so I can't claim money from the government. I might be able to get a grant to help us, but other than that, this is me. So if I don't do my cars, sell my cars, then we're not making money. So yeah, don't want to bore you to death, but yeah, that's life. This is the situation we're all in, and just trying to get through it like everyone else, I suppose. No one's really going to be buying cars, are they? Losing their jobs and not going to have no money to spend. But this little Fiesta, we give 500 quid for it, which is a bargain, and I had to pay the delivery in the end. It's come to about 136, something like that. So it owes us about 660. I'll double check their figures, but 660 quid for a Zetec S that's running and in not too bad a shape. Pretty good going, to be fair. So yeah, that's about it. I'll wrap it up. There we go, the fan's cutting now. So that's all working, that's good. Yeah, stay safe, be lucky. Thanks for watching. I'll come back with a little update when I start working on this one. Got the next one in. Let me turn the camera around to show you. There's a little sneak peek for me regular viewers. That one's coming up next. This one I get parked up. I'll order some bits, sort that out. We'll come back with a few updates on this one. Got Fiat 500 in the yard that we've got to do as well. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen what picture I've put up. I'm not going to go around and film it, but that's going to come soon. I've got an order that I need to get these done in. So next on the hit list is our Focus ST, and then it's going to be our bread and butter money, so it'll be the Fiat 500 or this, one of the two, and we'll go from there. So yeah, guys, listen, I'm out of here. Stay safe and stay indoors if you can, and hopefully everybody will get through this fine. See you soon.